What is going on, guys? George here with another video, and yes, check it out. The MR2 is back at home. Unfortunately, I did not get any footage of me picking up the car because I've been on a crazy road trip with the Tacoma in the past couple days. We went to Colorado, Utah, and if you're waiting for that content, it's either posted already or it's gonna be posted after this video, so stay tuned for that. But yes, the MR2 is back, and man, this thing is fast. Everything is running as it should, and Lewis at 3S Twins did an amazing job. We did pretty much everything the car needed. Brand new fan, the brakes, all the bushings all the way around. Motor mounts are brand new. Shifting cable, shifting bushings. Yeah, and the list goes on. So enough said, let's pop the engine lid and let me show you exactly what he did. So as you can see, a lot of work and a lot of time and money went into building this car to what it is today. This car sat for about 6 months at my parents' house before it even got touched. And Lewis had it for about 2 weeks. Obviously there was a wait time, but it was definitely worth the wait. This guy did a phenomenal job, from the brakes to just the really small things to building this crazy build in the back. This car has been my favorite car and my dream car since I was a kid, and I've owned about 8 of them, and this one was by far one of the ones that I knew as soon as I bought it that it was going to be my keeper, which is why I decided to go full ham and build it the way it is now. Now before I turn it on and I show you guys a quick cold start and just the crazy sound that this machine makes, I want to give a big shout out to one of my biggest supporters of the channel, R1 Concepts, for providing the brakes and rotors for this car. Another big shout out to Bob Pham for all your help, man. If I ever have any questions about the MR2, Bob, you're always there to help me out, dude. So big shout out to you. And of course, last but not least, big shout out to Lewis at 3S Twins for making this build happen and just making my dream happen. So enough said, let's hear a cold start and let's hear this thing rev up. Now with every good build always comes a downfall, and man, so this car sat at my parents' house for about, I want to say 5 months. And for those of you guys that have been watching the channel for a long time, know that we have a cat named Buddy, and this guy is kind of like a street cat at the same time. You know, my parents feed it, it lives at our yard, and unfortunately that guy was kind of chilling all over the car and he was peeing all over it. I think he was chasing little rats around or hamsters, because when Lewis did the swap, he sent me a picture and there was a couple of dead rats either in the trunk or in the front or even, I guess, inside. So basically, yes, there's a combination of both. Who knows, maybe Buddy's pee, damn cat, or maybe the rats that were running away and trying to live in the car for the past, I don't know, 5-6 months that it's been sitting at my parents. So the rugs definitely do have to come out. The seats are gonna come out for now. There's a rug in the back, and I'm basically just gonna take everything off. I'm gonna wash everything, and hopefully the smell goes away. I'm also gonna kind of start working on the dash. It's in perfect shape, but I'm gonna remove it to see if there's any kind of rat nest or anything weird, funky going on. But unfortunately, like I said, that is what happened. You know, it sucks because I've been dying to drive this thing, but you know, with rat pee and all that nasty stuff and those smells, it can be very unhealthy for us humans. So with that being said, I'm not gonna be driving this puppy in the next couple of days. I'm gonna just take the rugs out, I'm gonna let it air out, and enough said, let's start removing some rugs. So as far as the rug goes, it's in pretty good shape, but I'm almost positive that one of the rats peed in the rug, and that's why it smells as well. I already kind of pulled it out just to kind of get an idea of how like dirty it is. Gives you an idea. It's pretty filthy. I know these cars really well, so well that I can actually remove the whole entire interior of this car in like 20 minutes, or even with a snap of a finger, like that. All right, so we got the rug out. But man, check this out, guys. Absolutely disgusting. There is rat poop absolutely everywhere. That's the other side, nice and clean. Probably scrub it one more time, but look at the rat poop. It's all over the freaking floor. What in the world? Look at this. Rat poop there. Oh man, rat poop there. All right, let's continue cleaning. All right, so my beautiful wife just got home from Starbucks. But anyways, tell these guys how bad this car smelled after all the poop and That was nasty, huh?
It's grosser than what you would think it would smell like. It was gross.
Yeah, it was nasty. So yesterday we Ubered to pick it up, and I had just got back from Colorado, and I was like, hey, well, you know, let's go pick up the MR2 and go have dinner. And just the smell of it like made me gross when I was having dinner. I don't know if you felt the same, but
he's like, where do you want to eat? I was like, I can't think about food. It was gross.
But so far, I mean, I'm doing progress, and unfortunately we've been looking forward. I say we because we both been looking forward to having an MR2 back and going on some nice like beach romantic cruises, and
I don't know how romantic it can be with how loud it is.
It's pretty nice, huh? Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna just continue to work on it, and hopefully we can go on a nice little stroll on Sunday or maybe Saturday. You down? Yeah. Let's do it. What's up, Bob? How you doing?
Good, bro. What's up, man?
Chilling. Hey, say hi to the subscribers. We're recording a video right now.
What's up, bro?
Hey, dude, I'm cleaning the car, trying to get all the rat poop out and all the piss that they left in here. But I was gonna ask you, is there a air filter inside behind the glove box?
No air filter.
Okay. Is there anywhere else?
But there is a dryer underneath there in the glove box where the AC is at.
Okay.
You can remove that and then clean all the junk out.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a little skeptical about going in there because there's poop everywhere inside.
Yeah, your vents, your AC vents, you gotta remove all that. Because the rats, they got in there from the outside.
Yeah, you know what? So there's a grommet that goes to the engine that was missing. I think they went in through there. Because behind the little the little cubby holes that are in the back were full of poop.
Oh shit! Dude.
I know.
Yeah, dude, you gotta put those mothballs in the car.
Yeah, dude, I do.
Mothballs and the...
Man.
You did?
It was like Disney, it was like a Disneyland in here, dude. Mickey Mouse and all his crew were in here making some damage. Thank God they didn't chew any wires.
Well, thank God. If they would have chewed your wire, then oh shit. That's bad.
Yeah, man, but
Looks like you gotta change the color in your car, then strip it down.
I know, seriously. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna be removing all the vent holes right now, and just kind of putting a vacuum in there and making sure there's no nest or nothing dead in there, you know.
Yeah, you gotta remove that dryer box. Is there AC in the car? No, right?
Yeah, there's AC. Yeah.
Oh, there's AC in there?
Yep.
Oh shit! All right, well, you can remove that behind the glove box. There's a black box.
Okay.
They could get in there through the vents too.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to remove all that stuff, pretty much tear your interior apart, especially the vents.
Okay, for sure. And that, my friends, is Bob Pham. He is the nicest MR2 enthusiast and expert ever. So this guy is my boy, and man, Bob, I know you're watching this, man. Thank you so much for always helping me. So we're gonna do like he said. We're gonna go underneath the glove box. We're gonna find that black box. We're gonna start taking this whole interior off, the center console. All the vents are coming out. We're gonna make sure that there's no more rats or no more well, if there's a rat in here, it's probably gonna be dead. And if not, we're gonna make sure there's no more poop, and we're gonna make sure that this car is perfectly clean by the time this video ends. All right, guys, sure enough, check it out. Took the black box just like Bob said, and there's poop all over. Man, that is absolutely gross, guys. Look at the poop right there. There's a ton of poop in there. Wow. All right, guys, so I think we found where the little rats were living. Took off the AC vent, and check this out. That is disgusting. Even in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think the rat was probably running in circles, but oh my god, that is gross. Alright guys, so what I did in order to clean this up is I removed this condenser cover. It was full of rat poop and a bunch of that stuff right there. And then cleaned this up here. Looks brand new again. Just kind of used chlorine and Clorox and Fabuloso and all that good stuff. Just to basically make it smell good, kill all the bacteria. So now we're gonna start reinstalling everything. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna remove the whole center console, the cluster, and just make sure that there's absolutely nothing back there. And for the most part, that should be it. It looks like that was a problem, and it was basically making this kind of a rat nest. And it's funny too, because if you look at it, it spins. So these guys were in there feasting, exercising, having a blast, and then it would come all over and party and poop everywhere, probably get drunk and piss all over the walls, come right here, pass out, piss, and then walk home and go right here. So I'm just kidding, guys. You guys get the idea. All right, guys, so after about 18 hours, that's 2 days of labor, finally the rat smell is completely gone. Obviously we have the rugs in the back and in the front taken out right now. I'm just gonna let the car air out, and then we are gonna be putting some soundproof stuff on it, like the double-sided tape that goes in there. And that's pretty much it. I am gonna have somebody come and clean the rug, and hopefully if the smell completely goes away, then we're gonna be putting it back in. And if not, then we're gonna have to find a new rug. So for now, let me show you what the car looks like. And if you're here for the MR2 build, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, guys, so I have my dad with me, and as he knows, we did get the MR2 back. It smells a little bit like rat, but the engine is solid. So we're gonna do our first impressions.
All right.
What do you think so far, just based on what I've done?
It looks very nice. So let's try it.
What would you think of the engine?
Nice. Looks very nice, very clean.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, very good job.
Lewis did a great job. Lewis, if you're
Yeah.
watching this, you did a phenomenal
Great
job.
job. Yes.
So let's go, Dad. What do you think? Pretty smooth?
Very smooth. Yeah. Very nice.
You want to feel the power?
See?
Are you scared?
No.
Alright, we're gonna show my dad a little bit of first gear, second gear, third gear action. Nothing too crazy, you know. I don't want to scare my dad, which I'm sure he's not scared, but for the sake of our safety, we're not gonna do nothing crazy, right, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready, Bob?
Yep. Ready.
Did it pull your neck back?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's crazy, guys, but you know, it could be a really fun toy, and at the same time, if you choose to do bad choices with it, it can also be lethal, you know, if you crash or anything like that. So just, if you have an MR2 or if you plan on building one, you have to be very careful, you know, go to the track,
Yep.
do your thing. Like right now, I pulled it really fast, but we didn't go above the speed limit, but it was just gonna give my dad a little taste of the power.
Yeah, it has a lot of power. Yeah.
Has a lot of power though.
Yep.
Kind of like your Lexus.
Well, not that much of them. Yeah. It's good.
That's enough, right?
Yep. Nice. I like it.
Alright guys, we'll see you guys later. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are excited to see my dad again. He's doing very well. He's healthy now and back at work, back at church. So, yeah.
Yeah, and thanks again, guys, because your prayers, because your prayers, I'm here. So
Yep.
thank you.
That's right, power of prayer. We'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.
Peace.